starting color of white and make a magic ring. Chain 1 and work 8 single crochet inside the ring. Pull the end to close the ring and slip stitch into the first single crochet. Chain 4. Make 1 double crochet into the next single crochet. Chain 1 and 1 double crochet into the next single crochet and repeat until the end of the round. Close the round with a slip stitch into the third chain and then chain 1 single crochet into the same stitch, chain 5, 1 single crochet into the next double crochet, chain 5 and repeat until the end of the round. Now you will have to cut the yarn because you need to start in the chain into the 5 chain space, and we will rejoin the pink yarn, chain 1 and make 1 single crochet, then chain 7 and then make 1 double crochet into the 6th chain from the hook, chain 1 and go into the next 5 chain space and make a single crochet. And now we will repeat chain 7, 1 double crochet into the 6th chain, chain 1 and 1 single crochet into the next 5 chain space and repeat until the end of the round. We will close the round with the last section. Chain 1 and slip stitch into the first single crochet using color purple. Chain 1 single crochet into the same stitch, and now we will about a single crochet on each of the next stitches. So on each petal that we have here we will have 9 single crochet, and then 1 single crochet into the single crochet between the petal. So this will be the repeated section that you will have to repeat until the end of the row. close the round with a slip stitch into the first single crochet and cut the yarn. We will rejoin the green color yarn into one of the middle stitches that we have on the petal. It should be the fifth stitch of the petal, and we will chain one and make one single crochet, then chain 3, we will have to join the with 2 single crochet together, but first you will need to chain 3 after the single crochet, and then we will skip the next 2 single crochet and into the third make 1 double crochet and keep 2 loops on your hook, then skip 3 single crochet and make the second double crochet from the 2 double crochet together, then chain 3 and make a single crochet into the next third single crochet, and you will have to repeat until the end of the row. So now I'm going to skip 3, 1 single crochet into the middle stitch, and now I will close the round with a slip stitch using the color pink. And chain 1 and then 1 single crochet into each of the following stitches until the end of the round. Close the round using the color green, so slip stitch with the color green, and chain 3, and into the same stitch you will make 2 triple crochet, then chain 3 and another 2 triple crochet into the same stitch. Then continue with 1 double crochet into the next 2 stitches, then 1 half double crochet into the next 3 stitches, then 1 single crochet into the next 5 stitches. Then 1 half double crochet into the next 3 stitches, one double crochet into the next 2 stitches, and you'll have to repeat this section 3 more times to complete the square. I'm going to work the last 2 double crochet and join with a slip stitch into the first triple crochet using color of white. Chain 2, 1 double crochet into the next 2 stitches, the stitches before the 3 chain space corner, into the corner 2 double crochet, chain 3 and another 2 double crochet, And next you'll have to repeat with 1 double crochet into each stitch except the corners, and in the corners you'll have to work 2 double crochet, chain 3 and 2 double crochet. And the square is done.